Namaskar, Guten Tag. This is Meghraj Madhukar Kasalkar here from OTH-Amberg-Weiden, and in today's video I'll be quickly going through how students can find an accommodation before coming to Germany. Because after coming to Germany, if you don't have an accommodation, it will be really very difficult for you to survive here. So it's better to apply as early as possible. So in this today's video, we'll be quickly discussing with the very important methods to find an accommodation, because it was a problem with me that I was not able to find an accommodation very easily. It is a complicated and difficult process, so we must see on the processes as what are the important things to consider while applying to an accommodation in Germany. Okay, so this actually applies to Amberg and Weiden, but the methods that we are going to see are also applicable for other universities also, although the website interface could be different, but the process that we'll be discussing is the same. So let's quickly start with the video. So basically the first thing you must do to apply to an accommodation is to apply to your Studentenwohnheim. It's the student hostel kind of maintained by the university, and it's near to the university, so that going to the university daily will be an easy task for you. So applying to Studentenwohnheim is the first thing you must do. So the link for this you'll find it in the description. When you go to this link, this will open as this studentenwohnheim.oberfranken.de. Here you will find different colleges for Amberg-Weiden, Hof, Bayreuth, Münchenberg, Coburg, etc. If you want to find whether your university apart from these university is providing Studentenwohnheim or not, then you can just Google it, your university name and space and Studentenwohnheim. So you'll get to know whether your university provides a student hostel or not. For example, there's a university called Bamberg, and it also provides Studentenwohnheim. So you can also search in Google whether your university provides Studentenwohnheim or not. So when you go to this website, you will have to select your university, Amberg. When you go to Amberg, you can have an overview of the whole website. For your university canteen, menus and all, Speisekarte, everything is uploaded and updated here in the current time. So you go, first I'll change the language to English, and when you go, when you select Amberg, you go down to hostels. You'll have an overview of all the hostel apartments which are offered by the Studentenwohnheim. So accordingly you must see what kind of apartment do you want, and after that you will have to go to Wohnen, and then you have to go to, I've changed it to English, you have to go to housing, and then you must go to hostel applications, and then you must read all the things that's written here, and you must apply to the accommodation from this link. So this is how you apply to Studentenwohnheim for your university. So it's just an overview that how you can apply to the Studentenwohnheim. So the next method we are going to see is what is the help that the university is providing the students regarding the accommodation. So basically we type here OTH-Amberg, my university name, OTH-Amberg accommodation. So when you type it here, you'll get the official website of the accommodation of the university. So you can click here, OTH-Amberg-Weiden. You can change the language to English over here, and then you can go to general overview about the marketplace. Here you will find a general overview of all the help, which all the options that the university suggests the students to find an accommodation. You must go through all the options which are mentioned over here. So let's go to this offer and search. It's written clearly here. Are you looking for an object of use? So for getting an object after you come here, maybe you'll require some objects like some utensils or something like that. So if you can also search here for objects and all, but for this video we are searching the housing market. So let's go to housing market for the accommodation. So when this website opens, here you can see it's written here create new entry. So basically, students can create their own entry and post request to the website, so that the other students who are offering the accommodation, or the people, the landlords who are offering the accommodation, can see your ads and can contact you back. So when you click on this create new entry, you'll have to log in with your Amberg-Weiden ID and password, and you'll get to this form and everything in the detail. You'll have to fill all the details very properly, very carefully, and with all the documents which are required here, and your offer will be posted to the website, so that people can see the offer, and if they are interested to give you the apartment, they'll contact you back. So we'll go back. This is one of the method to search an apartment. The next method is to search for an apartment. Some people have already posted their ads for giving you an apartment, so here you will find it in the same place. So we are in the same page. So here the filters, we must put them properly according to our university, whether it is Amberg or Weiden. So for example, I'm searching for Amberg. It should be Amberg. Search means people who are giving an accommodation, and it's a little bit tricky concept. So I'll tell you in a glance. If you are a student and you are searching an apartment, then put this as offer. And if you, yeah, that's it. Just remember, that's it. And put it here all Amberg and offer. So when you do the search here, it will properly search here, and you'll find all the offers which are there in Amberg. All the people who have posted their ads for giving the apartment to students. For example, these are the apartments that you can see here. So you need to read everything very properly, and you can click here read details. You need to read everything very properly, and if you're you can also contact the fermeter, the landlord, with this option send message. So when you be polite and disciplined, the fermeter, the landlord, sees that you are worthy of this accommodation, because there are less accommodation and the students are more. So they somehow needs to adjust somewhere. But if you need accommodation as early as possible, then you need to contact them and be very polite with them while you contact them via email or via phone, or if they contact you back. But you must be very polite, so that it will increase your chances of getting an accommodation as early as possible. So these were the two ways of how to get an accommodation through this website of the university. Of course, you also have other options also, like the below housing market. If you go to the website again, you'll see below housing markets, there are dormitories. So you'll find different options over there also. So you must check all the options and read them very carefully and apply as soon as possible. Basically, the thing that helped me in getting an accommodation was this website only, the marketplace, where I applied to many accommodations in Amberg, and I got an accommodation from one of the options that I had applied to. So this was the second method of applying to the accommodation. The third method of applying to an accommodation is through the WG-Gesucht website. Although this website is little bit obsolete and not much people reply over in this website. This was also a kind of WG-Gesucht, but it was the ad which was posted by the landlords on this university website. So there are high chances you'll get accommodation over here. But about WG-Gesucht, I have personally never used this app. So I would suggest you to use these three options: the student in the university website, and the WG-Gesucht application. I'll be giving a short overview about the application in the coming section. So when you download this application WG-Gesucht, you'll open this and you'll find these as the different options over here. So you'll have to create your own profile. You'll have to read everything and create your own profile, so that people can actually see you. Then you need to go to search option you need to click here your city, which is the Amberg-Weiden, and you need to click on this filters. You are searching for offers, right? So you click on the offers, and you can turn on all these filters, and then you can search. So these are the apartments that you can search in the WG-Gesucht, and you can contact the Vermieter by clicking on the ad. For example, I've searched here this thing, and I can directly contact the Vermieter by clicking on this message option. So this is how you can search for accommodation using the website of the WG-Gesucht. Of course, you can also post your ad over here, my ads, and you can select all the information what you are looking for, and you can post your ad in the WG-Gesucht. So this ad will be reflected in the ad of the university website that we have seen in the previous option. So this was the third method. So basically these were the three methods of searching the accommodation. First is student in 09. Second is the university official website for help, which has all the information regarding the accommodation in Amberg and in Weiden. Of course, in the second option you have many other options also. The dormitories option you can see in the website. When you see that and apply to many apartments, you'll at least get some reply from some landlords, and you can proceed with the accommodation thing. And the third option is the WG-Gesucht. This actually I have never personally used, but it's also helpful. Sometimes when you click on a housing, it may be already rented, but it is not updated in the website. So maybe sometimes because of that, the Vermieter won't reply to you because he has not updated and he has already rented the website, rented the housing. But that's okay. You must apply to all possible housings that are on the website. So these are the three methods. So basically I also wanted to tell you that keep checking the three options. If first option you just need to apply, in the second option, the university housing options, you must keep checking because people leave here from for internships or something, so they keep their housings for renting and stuff. So that's why they upload their ad on the university ka website. So keep checking your university website as well as WG-Gesucht and start applying as soon as possible. So this was the video regarding all the basic help regarding accommodation. It was the request from all my junior friends and all who are coming the next winter semester. So I hope this was helpful, informative, and this is also helpful. This can also be helpful for other students for other universities also, because accommodation is a very important thing, and yeah, this could be very helpful for the students also. So yeah, vielen Dank für Ihre wertvolle Zeit. Means thank you so much for your precious time. We'll meet in the next video. Until then, it's currently my exams are going on, so that's why a little bit hassle, a little bit tough for me to make videos. But yeah, we'll meet in the next video. Until then, all the very best and keep trying your best. Jai Hind. Bye.